Aside Ebola for just a moment and focus on another crisis that we have right now. We've got another disease apparently out there that is highly contagious. I'm referring to Christitis. What's Christitis, you may say? It's characterized by uncontrolled flip-flopping, like Charlie Crist, running for governor, again, this time as a Democrat, former Republican, former independent. I think Attorney General Pam Bondi has contracted Christitis because she's flip-flopped on gay marriage. She was fighting against gay marriage and legalizing same-sex marriage in the state of Florida fearlessly and relentlessly. Now, 3 weeks from the election, she suddenly has contracted Christitis. And she's decided she wants a ruling from the Florida Supreme Court on same-sex marriage, and she wants it now, knowing full well that the Supreme Court is a lock to green light same-sex marriage in Florida. She's completely flip-flopped. She's completely caved. I've respected Pam Bondi so much. Maybe it's not her fault. Maybe she's just got Christitis. I don't know. Is it from close personal contact with Charlie Crist? Ew. Or could it be that you can just catch Christitis if you're in the same state with a guy? I don't know. If I wake up tomorrow morning as a flaming left-wing liberal, I guess we'll know the answer to that question. But in the meantime, as I said on the show this morning, not very happy with Pam Bondi. I'll still vote for her. But I have such a problem when people take their principles and throw them overboard for what they think is political expediency. Maybe it's just Christitis. Maybe she'll recover. We can only hope. Hey, that's what I think. What do you think? Join me for the next edition of Bud Hedinger Live right here on News Radio 102.5 WFLA. I'll look for you then.